Good day everyone, my name is Aldrin Atinon from BSHM3I. How do you think the history of bartending affected our present situation? There is no denying that bartending has had a significant influence on the state of economy, social standards, cultural trends, and even personal fitness and health decisions. The craft of mixology will surely continue to impact our lives in novel and fascinating ways as it develops an interesting journey reflecting the changing society. Culture and our relationship with alcohol is the history of bartending. This craft is continually changed to accommodate shifting represent, fashion and societal transportation from its historical origin to the contemporary artisan cocktail movement. Who is the first bartender in the world? American bartender Jeremiah P. Thomas B. Better, known by his stage name Jerry Thomas, ran and owned saloons in New York City. He is referred to as the father of American mixology due to his groundbreaking efforts in popularizing cocktails around the country. Thomas was well known for his theatrical style of bartending, which include ornate methods and eye-catching displays. He made flair bartending, which include juggling cups and bottles to provide some entertainment value. Popular Thomas create the impression of the bartender as creative professional by using ingenuity and showmanship in the cocktail preparation process. Which countries are pretty active in bartending? United States. The United States is renowned for its vibrant bartending scene, with cities like New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco leading the way. The American cocktail culture is incredibly diverse with multitude of bars and mixologies pushing the boundaries of creatively. From classic fixes to trendy craft cocktail lounges, the US offer a wide range of experience for both bartenders and cocktail enthusiasts. The country has been a pioneer in the craft cocktail movement, reviving forgotten recipes, experimenting with unique ingredients, and elevating the art of bartending to new heights. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom, particularly London, has a rich history deeply intertwined with cocktail culture. London cocktail scene is melting pot and creativity, craftsmanship and elegance. From iconic hotel bars to hidden speakeasies, the city offers a myriad of options. For cocktail lovers, British bartenders are known for their impeccable skill, attention to detail, and ability to deliver exceptional hospitality. The UK has been at the forefront of cocktail trends, combining tradition with innovation to create unforgettable drinking experience. What is the purpose of bartending in society? Bartending is about much more than just serving beverage. Bartenders are essential to our society because they enhance our cultural landscape, promote economic well-being, they enhance the enjoyment of social gatherings. It's about fostering entertainment and cultural expression, providing hospitality and social connection, crafting drinks and culinary experience, and fostering a welcoming atmosphere. Pouring beverage is the only thing do you also to need to create experience and weave social contact into your work.